So let's say should be low enough to where we wouldn't need a bucket to actually fill it up. I could bring it down and fill it up and pick it up and put it right back up there. But yeah, pretty nice and tight. For extra support, we could take a ratchet strap and put right around that neck and ratchet it in there and here too if we need to. But we'll see if we need to or not. That is the end result, basically, right here. So just with a little bit of scrap material out of the garage, a little bit of welding, we were able to get this feeder up. We got it low. A lot of people be like, oh, it's too low. It's perfect for us. That way we don't have to have the four-wheeler to stand on or anything. Plus we don't have any bears or anything out here that's going to be swiping to knock this down. So it's perfect. We can fill it up on the ground and just pick it up and hoist it up down on top of the hook. A little lopsided, but that's because of the bend of that actual handle. So she's gonna work good. All right.